The immigration crackdown is expanding to New Orleans and Minnesota, where federal agents are expected to target the state's large Somalian population.
Let them go back to where they came from.
Somalian immigrants, many of whom are U.S. citizens, have become a focus for the president, who insists they don't belong in America.
I don't want them in our country. Their country's no good for a reason. Their country stinks, and we don't want them in our country.
All of it is happening against the backdrop of sweeping changes to the U.S. immigration system. Asylum and citizenship applications for residents of 19 countries are now paused and subject to re-review. The list includes Somalia and Afghanistan after the shooting of National Guard members in Washington, allegedly by an Afghan asylum seeker.
At an absolute standstill for all of those cases. If they had an interview scheduled, those are being canceled, oftentimes without notice.
Immigrants from impacted countries are now caught in limbo. The rules they were told to follow to stay legally have suddenly changed.
They have been promised an oath ceremony to become a U.S. citizen, to take the oath of allegiance to the United States, and their oath ceremonies were canceled.
The change applies to immigrants and asylum seekers admitted over the last 4 years, as the White House demands extra vetting of those already in the country.
Past presidents have failed to ensure that all prospective citizens love America.
The longer the immigration pause lasts, the more likely legal status will expire for millions of asylum seekers and visa holders, potentially creating a new class of illegal immigrants who will go from applying for citizenship to facing deportation. The 19 countries facing the immigration pause were already subject to a travel ban by the United States, and the Trump administration warns that ban could soon be expanded to as many as 30 countries. Donna?
Jackson Proskow in Washington. Thanks, Jackson.